Hi, I'm Lucas from GWD and I have the honor today to present you our new development, GWDress Studio. We have developed a completely new software for our dressing machines. And now I would like to show you how it works. Now we take a look into the software. We have done it directly from scratch. So a completely new development of the software. We have on the left side the sensor data from the linear guides. We have here several functions in zoom and screen view. We can turn off and on the grid. We can change the grid size. We can here choose the scale, which we have chosen on the camera system. We can change the 0 points, the rotation, switch between millimeters and inches. We can fix movements, especially that is important for the XF functions, for example. We can save workspaces and import them also for a kind of safety function. We can see on the right side now the working area which you normally use, and it is kept very simple to have a really user-friendly interface. And as you can see here, we can probably draw a circle. We can change the position on the circle, put it in the center. We can write in the radius, we can rotate it, we can change the filling color and transparency. We can change the line colors to see it better, for example. We can change also the thickness of the lines, for example, to see it better on the screen. We can draw circles, lines, rectangles, points and freeforms, and also comments if you need some, for example. Put a rectangle here. We can mark both and make a group out of it. And here on the bottom you can see all objects, and you can make them visible or invisible. And it's very easy and user-friendly to import that. We can save that also in our library. And when you start the software new, you have all objects again in the library and can import them very easily. You can delete them. You can, as I've already said, draw all kinds of shapes. You can also import the XF files, then into the software, put it wherever you want. We can also change the color of the XF file, for example, to see it a little bit better on the screen. We can put it directly on the grinding wheel to drive the shape which we need. We can do measurings in the software for sure. We can also change the measurements in color and thickness, all different kinds of styles. We can also save measurements or make them invisible, for example. And our completely new function is we have different kinds of measurements, so distance and angle for sure. And we have an AI overlay. And this is a completely new function where we recognize the shape of the products which you can see on the screen. And this shape is automatically measuring the angles and the distances of the product which you can see on the screen. And here can you do also a negative view to see it a little bit better. and it's very easy to handle. You have here in the object library again all shapes which you have chosen, all measurements which you have chosen. You can make them easily with one click invisible. You can group them together. You can change the color again of the measurements or the thickness to see it better. You can easily delete them. You can also delete the DXF file. You can change the scheme of the properties which you have chosen and import them also. And we have the possibility to choose every language which you would like to have. So we have English, German for sure. We have also Japanese already. We can do Spanish, Italian. We can nearly do every language which you need. And yeah, it is easy to update your existing machine with the new software. And yeah, if you are interested, please contact us. We will give you some more information. And yeah, I'm happy to announce GWDress Studio is now available.